right, last question for chapter 4 in unit 9. So we're at example 6. It says, in example 5, you witness how the company takes on great risk when they sell a policy. The mortality rates of profits are shown in the table. If the company sold 10,000 of the same policies, what would their expected profit be for the 10,000 policies? So in order to do this, we're going to need to actually write out each particular year. So we're looking at a mortality rate of 0.0026, and we're going to multiply that by the profit, which is a negative 149,352. Plus, we're going to do that again the next year, so 0.0029 times, and it's negative 148,704, plus 0.0031 times negative 148,056, and I'm going to kind of piggyback over down here, plus we're at 0.0034 times negative 147,408 plus 0.0037 times negative 146,760, and finally plus, and here I didn't quite make this wide enough, so let me see if I can fix that. I went a little too far. So looking at this, now I've got 3240, and for some reason we moved down, I made it too big. Sorry about this, everyone. Let's make it smaller again. So in that last year, we did the 0.0037. So now it's 0.9843, which is that after 45, or when the policy is over, times the 3240, which would be the total cost. Now when you multiply all of that together, you end up, believe it or not, with a positive balance of $866.40. And I would encourage you to do that in the calculator just to ensure that you're getting the same thing. So the expected profit for one policy is the $866.40. But remember, it wants to know, what is the expected profit for all 10,000? Well, if they're going to make $866.40 for each policy, and we're talking 10,000 policies, we're looking at a profit for the insurance company of $8,664,000. Not bad for 10,000 policies. And that's very reasonable for any insurance company to write 10,000 in this particular category. So you can see why insurance pays off and why insurance companies are as strong and as healthy as they are. Okay, last you do, press pause, go ahead and solve this, come back when you're ready. Okay, it says express the expected profit algebraically for the mortality table. So it's quite simple. It's x times 0.7 plus 0.1 times y plus 0.2 times p. And that's exactly what we were doing prior. So if we had the x, y, and p to plug in, we could do that, and we would find exactly what the profit would be on one policy. So that does it for this unit, and now we'll move on to our last unit for Financial Math 2. Good job, everyone.